Welcome to this week's edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, the FDA has approved the Brekiya Autoinjector, marking a milestone in migraine and cluster headache treatment. It is the first ready-to-use dihydroergotamine autoinjector to reach the market. This new option delivers hospital-grade therapy in a portable, self-injectable format. Notably, Brekiya requires no refrigeration and will be available in the second half of 2025. Gensco Pharma has acquired global rights to RizaFilm and RizaPort, two orally dissolving rizatriptan-based migraine treatments. Approved by both the FDA and EMA, the ODF technology offers rapid, waterless migraine relief. A United States launch is set for the fourth quarter of 2025, with international expansion underway. Quantum BioPharma is preparing an investigational new drug application for Lucid 21302, a first-in-class treatment for multiple sclerosis. Unlike current therapies, it is non-immunomodulatory and aims to prevent demyelination in neurodegenerative diseases. This represents a novel approach in MS therapy development. Cure Rare Disease has earned Orphan Drug Designation from the FDA for its RNA-based therapy CRD002, targeting spinocerebellar ataxia type 3, also known as SCA3. The therapy addresses the genetic root of the disease. The program is supported by strategic partnerships and a $5.7 million grant from the California Institute for Regenerative Medicine. Biohaven announced a delay in the FDA review of troriluzole, its investigational treatment for SCA. The PDUFA date has been extended to the fourth quarter of 2025. Despite the delay, the drug maintains priority review status, and no new concerns have been raised. If approved, it would be the first FDA-approved treatment for this condition. AbbVie and Adarx Pharmaceuticals have entered a strategic partnership to develop RNA-based therapies, including siRNA drugs for neuroscience and oncology. Adarx will receive $335 million upfront, with multi-billion-dollar milestones tied to development and commercialization. The collaboration integrates RNA, antibody, and targeted delivery technologies. Alamar Biosciences has launched a blood-based panel to detect brain-derived tau proteins. These p-tau assays can distinguish brain-specific proteins from peripheral sources, enabling earlier and more accurate detection of Alzheimer's disease and other tauopathies. The test's high specificity and multiplexing capabilities are expected to accelerate biomarker research. Dino Therapeutics has revealed 3 new AAV capsids optimized for gene therapy targeting the eye, muscle, and brain. These vectors show dramatically improved targeting and transduction efficiency in primates and are now available for licensing. Validated in vivo, this marks a significant leap in gene delivery platforms. In the United Kingdom, Aviato Bio has launched its Phase 1/2 Aspire FTD trial for AVB101, a gene therapy targeting frontotemporal dementia caused by GRN mutations. Delivered minimally invasively to the thalamus, AVB101 aims to restore progranulin levels with high precision. Brainchild Bio has received RMAT designation from the FDA for BCB276, its CAR T-cell therapy for diffuse intrinsic pontine glioma, also known as DIPG. The therapy administers engineered cells via direct cerebrospinal fluid infusion to the brainstem. A pivotal Phase 2 trial is expected to launch in late 2025. Capsida Biotherapeutics has received IND clearance for CAP002, a gene therapy targeting STXBP1-related developmental and epileptic encephalopathy. The therapy demonstrated brain-wide expression while avoiding liver uptake. A Phase 1/2a clinical trial is slated to begin in the third quarter of 2025. Finally, Lattice Bio has introduced its new AAV-EP+ vector, designed for brain-wide protein delivery. The vector exhibits high-potency transduction in both mice and primates, enabling low-dose, widespread expression of therapeutic proteins. This innovation is aimed at treating lysosomal storage disorders and other neurodegenerative diseases. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.